Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem I'm going to be attempting today is problem 2236, root equals sum of children. So just going to read out the spec here. You're given the root of a binary tree that consists of exactly three nodes. The root, its left child, and its right child. Return true if the value of the root is equal to the sum of its two children, so 4 plus 6 is equal to 10, or false otherwise. So the root is 10, 4, 6. Output is true because the value of the root of the values of the root, its left child, and its right child are 10, 4, and 6. 10 is equal to 4 plus 6, so we return true. So I don't think this is going to be difficult at all. Constraints, each node value is going to be between minus 100 and 100, and each tree only has a root, a left, and a right child. So, I'm going to go to my notes here. Ideas, it's literally going to be find left node, find right node, sum them, check if it is equal to the value of root, return true if it is, false otherwise. Okay, then I'm gonna go here, and I think this could literally be done as a really readable one-liner. So we're gonna return root dot val is equal to root dot val root dot left dot val plus root dot right dot val. And that is accepted. Gonna submit this now and hopefully accepted. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please let me know, or if you had some other way to solve this. Also, please let me know. I love discussing these problems and their solutions. And yeah, thank you once again for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.